We're back at the Oakfield plane tree, which we've been battling to try to save for about 3 years now, since 2022, where we occupied it. Insurers bully and harassed and put enormous pressure on councils and residents to fell trees. They're really interested in blaming trees for subsidence, and this case has been rumbling on for many, many years, I think about 15 years.
Our house was one of the ones that was being affected by subsidence, but we've now got a settlement and we're underpinning the house, so there shouldn't be any reason to remove the tree, and I don't really know why the council's removing it at this point.
The home insurance industry is worth around £5 billion. They're making a lot of money out of people paying high premiums to protect their houses. Insurers should really just be doing the work on houses and not blaming trees. We think at the very least, once the houses are underpinned, they can monitor the situation, monitor the houses, monitor the tree, but we still feel this is a test case. There's hundreds of cases of insurance claims against trees across Haringey. Why are we allowing commercial pressures and these big corporate companies to fell our wonderful healthy street trees? It's not rational in a climate emergency. We obviously need trees for all the benefits they bring us, cooling canopy, dispersing floodwater, providing habitat. And if this tree gets felled, many, many others will follow. Haringey, their own tree and woodlands plans say they will not fell trees if there's a future risk of subsidence with houses. So they're going on historical risk here, or historical damage, but now the situation has totally changed for this house.
For years, they have always pollarded these trees, and this year they haven't pollarded this one, so it feels like they've already decided to cut it down.
Council have said they plan to fell, but they're legally obliged to consult.
The consultation doesn't feel meaningful unless they're really going to listen to what people feel and respond to that rather than deciding beforehand.
So the new public duty to consult is obviously a new piece of legislation from the Environment Act 2021. And unlike other planning application type consultations, we can't see how many people have put in a comment. So it doesn't feel genuinely sort of transparent. And why they're doing this now feels premature and incongruous. Haringey Tree Protectors is a local grassroots Haringey campaign group to protect mature trees. We've been doing lots of outreach, and we'd like everyone inside or outside the borough to respond to the consultation, because you don't have to live in Haringey. So we've got a handy QR code that takes people straight to our website, which gives a template, key points to make, and then we'll link you to the council consultation.